Question 6. The following reversible reaction take place in a closed container. Define the term a reversible reaction. A reversible reaction is the reaction when product can be converted back to reactant and reactant can be converted back to product. The reaction 6.2. The reaction reaches equilibrium at a temperature of 300 kelvins. How will each of the following changes affect the amount of X2? Choose increase, decrease, or remain constant. Now, removing AX3 as it forms. So, lana-ke bathini? Bathi ngesikhathi i-reaction yaphambili lo elokhu efomeka njalo, lokhu efomeka njalo, bese singenza njani? Siyamremova, siyamdecreasisa. Lokhu efomeka nje siyamdecreasisa. So kuzokwenzakalani-ke lapho? Nansi into ezokwenzeka. Ngesikhathi lokhu efomeka njalo, thina simdecreasisa, i-system izothi asifave noma sizame ukuyo-increasisa. Asizame ukuyo-increasisa leya amount ka-AX3 edecreasayo. So uma ngabe si-increasisa kusho ukuthi si-favor ini? I-forward reaction. Uma si-favor i-forward reaction kusho ukuthi u-X2 no-A bazoyuzeka, bazosebenziseka, bazoba ama-reactant. Concentration yabo noma amount yabo izodecrease ngoba into efike yenzeka la lo bamdecreasisile as a decreaser. We usually move towards a decrease. La ukudecrease ngakhona amount yakhona kufanele siye ngakhona. Yeah, kufanele senze kanjalo. So since ngapha i-amount yalo balokhu bayi-remove, i-system izothi asizameni ukuyogcwalisa laphaya okwehla ngakhona. So mangabe si-favor a forward reaction kusho ukuthi laba bazokwenza njani? Bazodecrease-ke bona. So mase siyawuphendula-ke umbuzo kusho ukuthi laphayana u-AX2 uzokwenza njani? Uzodecrease. Decreasing the pressure by increasing the volume. Now, uthini uLechatelier principle? Uthi Lechatelier principle uthi a decrease, maybe sitting a decrease in pressure favors a site with more number of moles. Aphinde athi an increase in pressure favor the site with less number of moles. A decrease favor more. A decrease favor more, and increase favor the site with less. Now, ngesibukeni-ke lapha ukuthi yiliphi isayidi elinama-number of moles amaningi. Now, since si-decrease-sile i-pressure, uthole i-charge le-principle ye-reaction kufanele ifave lo onama-number of moles amancane. So, loya akeze ukuba affected uma ngabe sithinta i-pressure ngoba yena uyini uyi-solid, but ama-gases kuphela azonze njani? Azo-affecteka. Let's check-ke ngapha sino-3 as the coefficient, ngapha sinobani? Sino-2. Shuthi ngapha sino-2, ngapha sinobani? Sino-3. Now si-decrease i-pressure fanele sifave the side with more number of moles. Shuthi fanele i-reaction i-shift iye kuphi? Iye backwards, or the reverse reaction. The reverse reaction will be favored. Bani bekuthiwa u-3 marks lo ukuzoqala ubhale lesi statement uthi according to Lechatelier principle, a decrease in pressure favor the side with a more number of moles. Bese uyasho ukuthi okay, since ngapha sina 3 ngapha sina 2, bese uyasho ukuthi reverse reaction will be favored. Ekugcineni, since i-reverse reaction i-favor, shuthi i-reaction i-shift yale, shuthi laba amount yabo izo decrease, loya i-amount yakho izonjani, izo-increase. Bese uyasho laphana ukhetha ubani, u-increase. So since ngoba yenze yaba 1 mark, akusho ukuthi ngokulandela abazophinde ibe 1 mark, ingaba u-3 marks. Sifanele sichaze kanjalo. Now, the graph below shows how the equilibrium constant Kc changes with the temperature for the reaction. Now, sila sino Kc la. Sikhumbule ukuthi iyodwa into eshintsha Kc value. Ayikho enye into eshintsha i-value ka-Kc ngaphandle kwe-temperature. Noma banga-increase i-pressure, i-value ka-Kc izoremaina constant. Noma banga-increase i-concentration, i-value ka-Kc izoremaina constant. But only the temperature can change the value of Kc. Lana-ke basitshengisa i-graph la khona bebeshintsha i-temperature ne-value ka-Kc benza njani? Ebeshintsha. In this case, bebe-increase i-temperature, i-value ka-Kc benza njani? Ibencipha. Nale graph lesingayikhulumisa ukuthi yenzeka kanjani lento le. Okusho ukuthi-ke yini eyenza ukuthi i-value ka-Kc inciphe uma ngabe si-increase-isa i-temperature? Yini eyenza lokho? Ukhumbule phela. Kc is equal to concentration of product over the concentration of reactant. So, uma i-change in temperature i-change in temperature izofavor i-forward reaction, fanele ukuthi i-value ka-Kc i-increase. Uma i-change in temperature izofavor i-reverse reaction, i-value ka-Kc fanele yenze njani? Faneke inciphe. Why izofanele i-value ka-Kc i-increase uma ngabe i-change in temperature ifavor i-forward reaction? Ingoba uma ngabe kufaveka i-forward reaction, i-concentration yama-product izoba nkulu, concentration yama-reactant ibe ncane. Kushuthi ekugcineni sizoba nenamba enkulu ngenhla, sibe nenamba encane ngezansi, okuzokwenza ukuthi i-value ka-Kc ibe njani? Ibe nkulu. So if ufuna uku-increase i-value ka-Kc, make sure ukuthi i-change oyenzayo kwi-temperature ifavor i-forward reaction. Uma i-change ozoyenza kwi-temperature ifavor i-reverse reaction, kuzokwenza ukuthi i-value ka-Kc yenze njani? Inciphe. So, njengoba uyibonayo le graph le, since i-value ka-Kc inciphe, kusho ukuthi uku-increase kwale temperature bekufavor i-reverse reaction. Okay. Ngithi nje asi-analyze, kusho ukuthi asi-analyze. Ne-question bangayikhulumisa ngale graph. Now, bathi, referring to the graph, write down the value of Kc at 300 kelvins. Now, should lapha phakathi nendawo sino 300. Uma uhamba ushona laphaya, hamba ushone le. So, fanele uthathe leya value ngaso sonke isikhathi u-0,1 udivide ngokuthi zingaki lezi ey'kwele leziyana-ke sezizonke. Uma ubala usuka la 1, 2, 3 uzuze uyofika lapha ziwu-10, divide ngo-10 uzothola I think it's 0,01, yes. Kuzoba u-0,01. Shuthi isikwele ngasodwa su-0,01. Uma ubala-ke uzofika laphana kuzoba u-0,06. Shuthi lawo bani? U-0,06. Now, anike sidwebe ithebula la. Anike sidwebe ithebula. Okay, before sidwebe ithebula, ngizocela laphaya siveze ukuthi phakathi nendawo laphaya la u-0,05. That is the value ka-Kc maqondana nobani? no-400 uma uhamba uqonda ukuthi kanye ngoba basinikezile lapha i-temperature ukuthi bani 400 kelvins. Now bathini-ke bathi when 0,46 moles of X2 and excess A are initially sealed in a container, the system reaches equilibrium at 400 kelvins. The concentration of AX3 at equilibrium is found to be 0,1 mole per dm cube. Calculate the volume of the container. Now, sifuna thini volume ye-container. But before siye lapho-ke, ngesidwebe kuqala the-case table. Hey, nansi the colors zabo. Siyeke kanje. Siyeke kanje. Now, lana soba soba kanje. Right. C. Right. C. So, lana we have the mole ratio. Lana we have the initial mole in mole. Lana we have the change in mole, my unit mole. Lana we have the equilibrium mole in mole. Now we have the equilibrium concentration in mole per dm cube. Ngisibhala-ke ishondisi le yakhona. Reaction ithi-ke reaction we have 3x2 plus 2a giving bani 2ax3. So 3 is to 2 is to 2. Initial, we had 0, 04. 0, 0,46. Ngitshena uma ngibheda. Okay. Lo ngizomziba lo ngoba uyisolid. Akusho ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngiyamziba. Kukhona la ngizonikeza khona i-information yakhe la. Okokuqala nje enye into eyenza futhi ngimzibe in excess. Khona kwesinye isikhathi la ngizonikeza khona information yakhe la fanele ngiye phezulu ngifike la bese ngiyi-transfera ngiyiletha ngapha nangapha leyo information leyo. Yabo. So uma unikeza information eningi ngaye but eyisolid kuzokusiza ukuthola laba abanye. So ungahlezi kumziba ngoba ama-questions ayahluka. Now, initial for ama-product we have ubani u-0 ngoba sisuke singaka-produce lutho. Kusuke laba besazo-react. Now, la sizogembula. Sifika no-0,46 sizogembula sizodliwa u-3x. U-3 simthatha kuphi? Simthatha lapha kwi-mole ratio. Ngapha sizowina sifika ngalutho sifike no-0 sizowina so into engakanani sona u-2x nange u-2 uqhamuka lapho kwi-mole ratio. Bese kuthi enye information esiyinikezwe lapha kwi-statement kuthiwa at equilibrium no-0,1 for AX3. La siyithola kanjani? Usually sithi lo minus lo sithole lo. Laphana kasifikanga nalutho. Since singafikanga nalutho, sawina u-2x, shuthi senze njani? Sizohamba no-2x. La sifike no-0,4 sadliwa. 0,46 sadliwa bani? U-3x. Sizohamba nalokho esizokuthola uma sisubtracta laphaya. So la i-volume siyinikeziwe noma siyinikeziwe unknown. So sizoyikhethela thina alphabet esithanda ukusebenza ngayo. So i-volume izolingana no-y. So ukuze sifike la concentration at equilibrium, sithatha the number of moles at equilibrium sidivide ngaleya volume sithole la. Shuthi la kahle kahle sinobani? Sino 0,46 minus 3x all divided by 1 by y. Okusho ukuthi la sinobani? Sino 2x divided by y kulingana nobani? No 0,1. Sinento enjengaleyo. Bese siza laphaya nganza kwethu. Size ku-KC expression. KC is equal to AX3 all squared all over X2 all cubed. Y lo singamfaki loya uyisolid akangeni ku-KC expression. So basitshenile ukuthi i-KC wethu kuyiphi i-temperature u-400 and uma uqondanisa u-400 wahamba uzofika lapha sithe ubani lapha u-0,05. So la we have 0,05. At equilibrium lo u-0,1 all squared. So now sizosolva lo ngaphansi. Sizokwenza njani? Sizoswiper. Sizothatha loya. Uthatha lo simlethe laphaya. Sithathe lo 0,05 simlethe laphaya. Senze lo abe subject of the formula. Now, okusho ukuthi sizoba nento nje. AX2 all cubed 0,1 squared all over 0,05. Then cube root on both sides. So i-concentration ka-X2 izoba ubani? Shaya lapha kwi-calculator. 0,1 all squared over 0,05 kusinikeza u-0,5848 mole per dm cube. Now sesinayo i-concentration yala kahle kahle ukuthi kuso sonke lesi sikwele kukhonani. Shuthi ngamanye amagama u-0,46 minus 3x all over y kulingana no-0,5848. Now singatimesa ngo-y on both sides. Sizosala no-0,46 minus 3x is equal to 0,5848y. Masidivayida ngalo 0,548 on both sides. Futhi about 0,5848, 0,5848, 0,5848. So ekugcineni u-y wethu uzolingana noba 0,46 divided by 0,5484. That is around 0,7865 minus 3 divided by 0,5848. That is around no 5,12995. This is our equation number 1. Bese sibuyela laphaya equation sino 2x all over y elingana nobani no 0,1. nakhona futhi singenza the same. Singa-times ngo-y on both side. Divide ngo-0,1. Divide ngo-0,1. U-y wethu uzolingana nobani? No-20x. So singa-equator. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1 to equation number 2. Kusho ngamanye amagama u-20x uzolingana nobani? No-0,7865 minus 5,12995. Khona la kuno-x khona-ke ngazi ngikhohlwe kanjani lapha. Kushuthi la kuno-x la. Kushuthi lapha kuno-x. So, amagundwane wodwa, amakhadi wodwa. Kushuthi kuno-x eceleni. So, ngapha soba no-20x plus 5,12995x is equal to 0,7865. La sizoba nobani? Soba no-25. Soba no-25,1299 x is equal to 0,7865. So 0,7865 divided by an answer. Unikezwa x elingana no-0,03129. Fuze ngaba umoli, angazi noma umoli noma ubani. Okay, check-a. Thina basibuza ngo-x, basibuze ukuthi asicalculate i-volume ukubani? Uku-y. Shufa sithathe le value ka-x, so substitute in one of the equations, sizothola bani? U-y ukuthi ulingana nobani. So sinayo i-equation ethi y is equal to 20 into x ubani? 0,03129. So i-volume yethu ekugcineni ku-0,62. So 20 times an answer 0,62. Nothanda ngayishiya into 4 decimal place. So that is our volume in dm cube. Kufanele senze kanjalo. In another experiment, the following reversible reaction take place in a closed container. At a certain time, the pressure on the equilibrium system is increased by decreasing the volume at constant temperature. How will the increase in pressure affect the following? Write down increase, decrease, or remain the same. So an increase in pressure kuzokwenza ukuthi i-rate of reaction increase. The number of moles of HI. So kuzonzana nama-number of moles walo nge-amount, kuzonzana ngama-amount ka-HI. So ukhumbule sitheni? Sithe uku-increase uku-increase-a, kwe-pressure. Ish, ipensi yaphapha. Ngisafuna ukubhala kahle imizamo manje. Increase kwe-pressure sathi uthole ichazi le-principle kuzofavor the side with less number of moles. Now let's check iningi. Ngapha coefficient u-2, ngapha u-1 no-1 baskipela bani? U-2. So ama-number of moles ayalingana on both sides. So increase kwethi pressure ayikho i-amount ezokhula kunenye in terms of moles. So lana kuzo remain the same. As ayikho i-reaction ezoba favored, even forward ayizokufavor ne-reverse ayizokufavor. So the concentration of HI kuzokwenzakalani ngayo? Izo-increase. Why izo-increase? Abathi sichaze la. Why izo-increase? Angazi noma izovuma ngibhalele ipeni. So okokuqala nje singachaza sithi decreasing the volume, increasing the pressure. According to Lechatelier principle, the equilibrium will shift to the side with fewer gas molecules to oppose the change. So, uma ngabe si-decrease inakhuzana, si-decrease pressure noma si-decrease i-volume but si-increase i-pressure. Ngokwale-Lechatelier principle, uku-increase kwe-pressure sizofavor the side with less number of moles. So, iphuzu lokuqala leli besingalibhala ukuzama ukuchaza la ukuthi uku-increase the-pressure so favor the side with less number of moles. Now, lana-ke uma sesithi siyachaza kwesibili, mhlambe i-bullet number 2, for this reaction, reaction, ama-reactant alingana no-1 plus 1 okusinikeza u-2 mole of gas and ama-product alingana nobani no-2 mole of bani of gas. So sithola ukuthi ngapha nangapha ama-number of moles anjani ayalingana. Now, since the moles of gas are equal on both sides, the equilibrium position does not shift. So the moles of HI will remain constant. So the number of moles of HI will remain constant. Siyabona. So pho yini ezokwenza ukuthi i-concentration increase? Check out this formula. Formula ethi concentration is equal to the number of moles over volume. Check out ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Since number of moles will remain constant and thina we are increasing the pressure by decreasing the volume. So number of moles will remain constant while the volume is decreasing. So kuzokwenza lokho ukuthi concentration yenze njani? I-increase. So the relationship between the volume and the concentration is inversely proportional. Once the volume decreases while the number of moles remain constant, the concentration will increase. So la besingachaza kanjalo yingani concentration ka-HI yenze njani i-increase. Without a waste of time, ngeke sizame ukuphendula 6.7. The table below shows the equilibrium constant Kc values for the reaction at different temperatures. Now, masibheka-ke la ngane zakwethu, masibheka for it's kule temperature le yokuqala esinayo, temperature uma inkulu, i-value ka-K bekuba beku-50,3. As i-temperature uma wehla yenza njani temperature? Iyadecrease. Ukudecrease kwe-temperature kwenze i-value ka-K yenze njani? I-increase kube 1 to 9. Mas-analyze le data le. So, ukudecrease kwe-temperature ngamanye amagama, excuse, in this case, ukudecrease kwe-temperature kufavor ini? Kufavor i-forward direction. Why ngithi kufavor i-forward direction? Ngoba ngibona i-value ka-K increase uma ngabe si-decrease i-temperature. Ngithe mina uma sifuna uku-increase i-value ka-K faneke siphazamise i-temperature in such a way ukuthi kufaveka ini? I-forward direction. Uma kwafaveka i-forward direction ngokuphazamisa kwethi temperature, kwafaveka i-forward direction ngokuphazamisa kwethi temperature, i-value ka-K izo-increase. So ileyo nto eyenzakalile, ba-decrease i-temperature. Ukudecrease kwe-temperature kwafavor ini? I-forward direction. Yayisiyenza njani i-value ka-K? Yasiya-increase. Now bathini, is there a high or low yield at a temperature of 2 to 7? So nawe uyabona leya number inkulu, so bani u-high. Bathini-ke, is the forward reaction exothermic or endothermic? Explain the answer by referring to bani, to Lee principle. So uzothini-ke mawuzophendula la? Sizosho ukuthi ingese enkulu kakhulu efont. Okokuqala nje sikhetha ubani u-exothermic. Sazochaza ukuthi why sikhetha u-exothermic. Why? Safunzela ukuthi ngibhale nje la kahle. So the Kc value increases with a decrease in temperature. Okokuqala lokho esikubonile. As i-temperature decrease, i-value ka-Kc yenze njani? I-increasile. So the Kc value increases with a decrease in temperature. Bullet number 2. A decrease in temperature favors exothermic reaction. According to Lee principle, uLechatelier uthi ukudecrease kwe-temperature kuzofavor ini? Kuzofavor i-exothermic reaction. A decrease, kubalulekile sazi ukuthi uthini uLechatelier principle nge-temperature. Uthi uma i-temperature i-decrease izofavor a decrease in temperature favors the exothermic reaction. Now, sesiyasho ukuthi the forward reaction is favored. Why sifike kule conclusion le? Sifike kanjani kule conclusion? Okay, indaba ithini-ke? Fanele siqale si-understand ukuthi okay, ke ngithi ngino-A plus B giving us ubani? U-C. Bese sithi laphana sino-delta H less than 0. Okay, u-delta H, uma ngabe ngibeke u-delta H laphaya, enthalpy change, ungitshena kabanzi nge-forward reaction ukuthi injani. Delta H nje uma ibekwe laphaya, usitshena nge-forward reaction ukuthi injani. Okay, ukhumbule u-delta H uma ngabe less than 0 and negative, kusho ukuthi reaction injani? Kusho ukuthi i-forward reaction enjani? I-exothermic. Uma ngabe enjani? E-negative, njengoba ebekwe laphaya. So uthini uLechatelier principle? Uthi uku-increase kwe-temperature kuzofavor u-delta H A positive. Okay, ngapha-ke wena uzobhalelwa loya. Wena mase ufike uyibhalela lo kwi-question paper. Asikesi ngapha u-less shuthi ngapha u-greater. Lo ozoyibhalela wona la usitshena ngani? Usitshena nge-reverse reaction. So, uthule i-charge le-principle, uku-increase kwe-temperature kuzofavor ini? I-endothermic reaction. Kuthi futhi uku-decrease kwe-temperature kuzofavor ini? Kuzofavor i-exothermic reaction. Kusho lokhu nje kufanele kuhlale ekhanda lakho ukuthi uthini ule-charge le-principle ngokushintsha kwe-temperature. Uthi-temperature uma-increase sizofavor i-endothermic reaction. Uthi i-temperature uma i-decrease sizofavor ini? I-exothermic reaction. Bese siya-check ukuthi ngabe i-forward yini i-exothermic noma i-reverse. Njengoba loyana ebekwe lapha usitshena kabanzi nge-forward ukuthi unjani. Usitshena ukuthi i-forward i-exothermic. La benzeni ba-decrease i-temperature. Shuthi i-reverse reaction enjani? I-endothermic. I-forward reaction enjani? I-exothermic. Sesiyobheka i-temperature. I-temperature bayenze njani? Bayi-decrease-isile. Ukudecrease kwe-temperature kufavor ini? I-exothermic reaction. Ngenhlanhla-ke i-forward reaction enjani? I-exothermic, meaning the forward reaction was favored. Siyabona. So if the forward reaction was favored, khumbule ukufavor i-forward reaction kuzokwenza ukuthi i-value ka-Kc yenze njani? I-increase. Uma ngabe siphazamisa i-temperature in such a way ukuthi yenza kufavor i-forward reaction, kuzokwenza ukuthi i-value ka-Kc increase. Sibone ngani ukuthi the forward reaction was favored? Sibone ngokuthi i-value ka-Kc increase. Ngazi noma le nto engiyikhuluma iyayenza isense. Basifihlele bona. Lezi zinto engiy'beka la basibekelanga zona. Kodwa basibekelile i-temperature. Ukuthi i-temperature iya-decrease. Ngolwazi esinalo, ukudecrease kwe-temperature according to le-Chasseloup principle kufavor i-exothermic reaction. Kufavor i-exothermic. Nazi izinto abanginikeze zona. Banginikeze ukuthi i-temperature iya-decrease. Mina ngazi lokhu ukuthi ukudecrease kwe-temperature kufaveka ini? I-exothermic reaction. So, kufavor, sengizobona ngani ukuthi eyiphi i-reaction efavekile, ngabe i-forward noma i-reverse. Sengizobona nge-Kc, nge-value ka-Kc. I-value ka-Kc ikhuphukile, shuthi kufaveka i-forward. Okusho ukuthi-ke yes, ba-decrease i-temperature kwafaveka i-exothermic reaction. Iyiphi i-exothermic reaction? Ngizobona nge-value ka-Kc. I-value ka-Kc increasile, kufaveke i-forward reaction ngoba i-value ka-Kc i-increasile. So kufanele sichaze kanjalo-ke kule question.